Welcome to GetGlimpse channel. GitHub Copilot is a powerful AI tool that has evolved significantly since its introduction. It's no longer just a code completion tool, it's a comprehensive AI assistant designed to enhance every stage of the development lifestyle. This tutorial will guide you through setting up and using GitHub Copilot, including its latest features and the best practices for a seamless workflow. The first step is to set up a GitHub Copilot plan. First, you need an active GitHub Copilot subscription. GitHub offers several plans tailored to different uses. First, we have the free tier, a fast way to get started. This plan offers a limited number of completions and chat requests per month, making it an excellent way to try out the tool. Also, we have Copilot Pro for individuals, priced at $10 per month or $100 per year. It provides unlimited code completions and chat interactions, access to a wide range of models, including GPT-5 and even Gemini, and a generous allowance of premium requests for advanced features like the Copilot agent. We also have the Copilot Business or Enterprise Plan for teams and organizations with a per user monthly fee. These plans include centralized billing, admin controls, and enterprise grade security. We also have free for students and open source maintainers. Verified students and maintainers of popular open source projects can get free access to Copilot Pro. You can sign up for a plan or a free trial directly in here on the GitHub Copilot website. The second step is to now install and set up the extension. GitHub Copilot integrates with a wide range of popular IDEs. The setup is similar for all of them. Here's how to do it in Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular choices. First, open VS Code in here. Go to the extension marketplace, the icon on the sidebar that looks like four squares here, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Now search for GitHub Copilot by typing in here like this and click install on the official extension. VS Code will prompt you to sign in to your GitHub account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the extension. After installation, you'll see a Copilot icon in your status bar, indicating it's active and ready to assist you. The third step is to master the core features. GitHub Copilot has several features that go beyond simple auto-completion. To get the most out of it, you need to use them all. First, we have code suggestions, that is ghost text. As you type, Copilot provides real-time ghost text suggestions. Press Tab to accept the suggestion. You can also cycle through multiple suggestions by pressing Alt plus double closed brackets. Comments to code as well. A powered way to generate code is to describe what you want in a comment. For example, Python hash or comment hash function to calculate the factorial of a number, and then def factorial double closed bracket n, like this, just the way you see. And then hash Copilot will then write the rest of the function just to write this comment. Now we also have Copilot Chat. This is a conversational interface within your IDE. You can ask for explanations, bug fixes, or code generation. Open the chat view by clicking the Copilot icon in the activity bar or by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus I. Use slash commands as well. Use powerful shortcuts like slash fix to fix a bug in your selected code, or slash doc to add documentation, or slash test to generate unit tests. The Copilot agent as well. This is a new advanced capability for paid users. The agent can work autonomously on complex multi-step tasks. You can assign it a GitHub issue or give it a command like implement a new authentication method. The agent will then create a new branch, write and test the code, and even submit a pull request for your review. The fourth step is pro tips for an optimal now workflow. Provide context. The more context you provide, the better the suggestions will be. If you are working on a function, provide a descriptive name and doc string. For larger tasks, use the Copilot instructions.nd file in your repositories.github directory to refine your project's coding style and conventions. Be a prompt engineer. When using Copilot Chat, be as specific as possible. Instead of fix this code, try, explain this bug, and propose a solution that handles the edge case of an empty list. Also, iterate, don't start over. If Copilot's initial suggestion isn't quite right, use follow-up prompts to refine it. For example, that's close, but you can make it more concise. Always review and test as well. Copilot is a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. The code it generates may have bugs, security vulnerabilities, or simply not fit for your project's architecture. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.